Once you have recorded, select your recording from the media bin in the left-hand side of your screen and drag it down to your tracks. Here's where you can split and edit everything that you have videoed. In order to make a proper split, make sure that you review your video and audio with the time marker over here. Place the time marker at the exact time frame that you want to make a split in your video. Select the track that you are hoping to split, and then select the split button. Do the same for the next track. You can delete a track by selecting the scissors at the left-hand side of the screen. You can rearrange your recordings by selecting them and then dragging them across the timeline. You can also select Control on your keyboard, select all of the recordings that you're hoping to move, and then move them all at once. Add an introduction in your video by creating some space at the beginning of your timeline. To do this, hold Shift on your keyboard and move the playhead back. For now, move the playhead back about how many seconds you want your introduction to play for.